Hi, let's understand the integration between Ozonetel and Freshdesk ticketing solution. With Freshdesk ticketing solution, we do have a native integration available. There will be an application of Ozonetel residing inside the Freshdesk application. This is a plug and play application which is available on Freshdesk. Agents can log in on Ozonetel CTI application and handle communications from here. And it is integrated with Freshdesk, where for every communication there will be a ticket which will get generated, and post communication is over, the ticket gets updated with the details. I'll demonstrate the integration by making inbound calls and outbound calls. Post calls, I will also demonstrate the email integration. Right now I will going to initiate an inbound call to the contact center. Once the call lands on Freshdesk, it will create a ticket. So I'm getting a call, I can see the details. In the backend, it created a ticket 4872. I'll answer the call. Once call is answered, I will have all the call control available to me as an agent. I can place myself on mute. I can place the caller on hold. I can do a call conference to any other available agent, or I can take any other phone number on a conference call. I can even transfer the call to any other skill, agent, phone number, or to an IVR for a CSAT and feedbacks. Now, as soon as the call is landed on agent panel, it created a call ticket, and it has a detail like what kind of call it was. It's an inbound call or it's an outbound call. It has been assigned to which particular agent and it has come from which particular phone number. Now, phone number masking is an optional feature. Only if it is required, we can enable it. Else, by default, the complete phone number will be visible. And it also had populated the contact details from which particular contact the call is coming. And I will have all the contact details and their previous tickets which has been created against that particular contact available for my references. If I go ahead and end the call, I can do it from the CTI panel. It will ask me to dispose the call. I am selecting a disposition. This disposition can also be configured by the admin. So I saved the disposition, and as an agent, I am again pushed to ready state to handle other communications or other calls. Likewise, I can even go ahead and trigger out a manual outbound call. I can do it by clicking this phone number here, or I can even go ahead and type the manual phone number here and make an outbound call. So I'm triggering an outbound call by clicking on the contact number. It has started dialing out, and in the backend it created a manual outbound ticket. Again, I will have all the call controls available here. I can go ahead and hang up the call. It will ask me to dispose. I'll select a proper disposition. So I have demonstrated the manual outbound call, the inbound call which was there, and post each and every call the ticket gets updated. So it got updated with the start time, end time, what is the duration of the call, what's the status of the call recording link, the disposition and the comment. The same has been done for manual call as well. It has these details. Now, if required, we can also pass these details under the ticket properties on Freshdesk for further automations. Now, I'll go ahead and send out an email from my Outlook to the Freshdesk support. Once I send out that particular email, it will go ahead and create a email ticket on Freshdesk. This is a email ticket which got created. I will also go to the contact and I can see those email tickets. It has a new update available. I'm just going to a contact. Okay. So against this contact, it created an email ticket. I can open that email ticket. I can see the details. I can go ahead and reply from here. So if I click on reply, I will have an email console open here and I can reply from here. The signatures, the images in the signature all can be configured. That is not a problem. that will be available once we create an account for you. I'm sending this email. So I got that email on my page here. So this is the email which I received from Freshdesk. So it has the detail of the previous interactions. Likewise, on Freshdesk also the previous email chains are maintained, right? I can go to contact and I can see the all the interactions or tickets which has been created against the emails or the calls. And if required, if I need to go ahead and close any ticket, I can do so by selecting a proper status of that particular ticket and update. So this is the integration between Ozonetel and Freshdesk, where for agents it will be a unified view on Freshdesk where they can see their entire ticketing solution as well as their CTI widget. For Ozonetel admin, they need to use an admin login on a different tab, which will be outside Freshdesk, and they will have the complete control of the entire configuration between Ozonetel and Freshdesk, creating agents, assigning them user ID passwords, and multiple other administrative works they can perform from this UI. Thank you.